So yeah, Madhustan, you were telling after.
Yeah, after SDE2, there is that pipe should be removed.
Yeah, that's maybe you wanted to enter SDE like this Roman. So this would still give a result, but I would suggest having spaces. In future we'll cover the importance of the spaces before and after or. Even this will give a results. It's not that it wouldn't, but having a space would give a better one. Especially when we're using if you're means if you're means exceeding those 32, then remove the space. If you're not exceeding those 32, then maintain the space.
Okay.
This is still fine. Awesome. This also. All right. I think each one of us has shared the right strings. Dinesh, you might need a little rectification. Maybe you can go to the yesterday's video once more, and then I guess you should be good. Better myself.
Okay.
Yeah. So now going on to any doubt on slide share? Now let's go to script. So script also similar, but script, I guess it's an updated version of the slide share and has a search friendly, means it's slightly search friendly. So let's see, let's see, sign out. Okay, I am signed in my public profile. Let me see, how is it? Script.com/user/some numeric, then Shiva hyphen Kumar. So it's just taking this. Let's see if I edit, how does it looks like? Let me just do this script. I think they're doing something big. They are in the process of doing something big. They're updating regularly. Logged in with Facebook, so they have taken the details from there. Even I'm not able to edit my profile, but otherwise, if I just go to my own profile, my public profile, this is looking like script.com/user// some number, serial number, then first name hyphen last name. Script home. Okay, we got a lot of documents. Here we have documents in English, snapshots, podcast, magazine, ebooks, body script, and all everything. Also, we got so many documents. Let's see. Java resume, Bangalore list of companies, resume Java, Java programmer examples. You know, here we have more number of data, Bangalore data, Excel, Java resume. Let's open this one. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. Resume format. Chaudhary. Oscar, you're based out of which location? I can't hear you.
I'm in Canada.
Canada, right? Java resume Bangalore. Let's say Canada. So yeah, we have few more. We opened a couple of resumes. Now let's say, how is this looking like? Script.com/document, some serial number and Java -resume, which is this part. And here we have a resume. And then script.com/document, some numeric, and then Mahender. Here is my resume, currently searching for a job in a developer field, full description. Here is the resume word, but it's not appearing in the entire URL. Even here is it. Is there any chance that this resume being in the text? So as I mentioned, like they're in the process of doing something big. So they're not allowing us to view the entire doc. But yeah, their contact details should be sufficient enough. Just the summary and all. Let's say if I print, download and print. So it's asking me to subscribe, download a free trial. Let's just go back. So it's like script.com/document/serial number /first name hyphen middle name hyphen last name and then hyphen some serial number. Okay, so script.com/document/serial number /first name hyphen middle hyphen last. This is also like that. Even same. Okay, let's take a couple of links to these documents. And now the way we did for SlideShare, please do it for script as well. So this is the one. This is the second. This is third. Just pick up to whichever is the constant and keep that in URL or in title, and wherever it is a non-constant, keep that as a separate keywords. Okay, so if you see every resume, what we have, the constant part is www.script.com/document/. Till the documents, it's a constant. And after that, this serial numbers are changing. And then these are also Java, resume me, or Mahendra, or Sindhuja, or resume, or Abhishek, which is changing. So can you please give it a try to build some of the X-ray source strings? Just build and ping it in the chat. Okay, we got it from Soumya's site, script.com/document, Java, Android resume. Nice. Nice, Soumya. So this is
Shiv, I'm not given Bangalore and jobs. I think it's not mine. Again. Hello?
yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Anyone else? Shravan and all? Dinesh, Oscar? Please try. This will give you the confidence. If it's an error, then we know. Okay, we still need a little bit of prep.
Shiv sir, I shared my this thing, X-ray.
Yeah, just share it in chat here, chat window here.
I shared it, sir.
Okay, okay, got it. Dinesh, use in URL or site. Without using that, you won't get the right set of results. It would get search as a keyword, but not as an operator.
Okay, Shiv.
UM Singh, who is this? UM Singh.
Shiv, it's me, Uma. I think I made a wrong thing.
Okay, Uma. Okay.
Yeah, I'm unable
This
to.
or
I am not.
this or make it a pipe,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then here also after Apache and Cassandra before between that
Okay.
that corrections is needed. All right, so Soumya's string, okay, site script.com/document Java Android resume Bangalore or Bangalore minus job minus jobs minus article. That's good one. Not minus Soumya. Is it document? Yes, it's document. Even if you open this result, this shows es.script, but after opening, they would have centralized it. It's just script.document. Nice. Adjust in URL script document Java Python. This is good. Programming language script report Java report file. So you're getting all the various set of documents in this. Maybe you'll have to add resume or CV.
Okay,
Adjust.
Shiv.
Yeah,
Yeah, Shiv.
we'll have to add.
I have sent one more. Yeah, I have sent one more string.
Yeah, maybe you'll have to add resume or CV, but otherwise that is still fine. Parmeshwari is script document, developer, resume or CV. Yeah, this is decent enough. Good one. Cassandra Uma. Here you may have to add R and R. But where is resume or CV? It might give you the and script.com/document till where it is constant. Till document it is constant for such kind of a links. But if you give script.com without documents, you might get a lot of documents which are related to Cassandra, Apache, or something. So you have a results, you have number of documents and all everything, but let's say you add additionally resume. You still started getting a resumes, but you also have some of the presentations. So unless we are not giving a /document, we might start getting these presentations also, or some of the docs like this.
Okay, sure.
So here we have presentations, because for the individual documents for the web resumes like this, the link is script.com/document. Till document it is constant. Here if you see www.script.com/document. So how does the search would look like? If it is constant till here, I would say I'll take the constant term site script.com. What are the unconstant term is there? I'll just remove it. Resume or CV and additional Java SQL algorithms. That's it. Additional keywords to that. Right. Script.com/document CV or resume or curriculum vitae. Shravan, if it is not exceeding 32 keywords, prefer to keep spaces between ors, before and after or. If it is exceeding 32 keywords, then that time you just go ahead and remove those spaces. I'll tell you why in some of our advanced sessions, you'll get to know. But otherwise, script.com/document, that was the main thing which everyone has captured. Even this is also fine. Resume, CV, or PDF, that's also amazing. Profile summary like this PDF, nice. Like this PDF, that is also nice. Good one.
Hello, Shiv.
Yeah.
I have a small question over here. Like, how can we particularly target a particular location? Like, basically, since it's an online storage device, so most of our resumes we don't mention the country India. So, is it going to capture it all over? Because when we are entering the details, or maybe while creating.
We'll come there. We'll come there.
Okay.
Okay. And then Madhusudan. So you just give Madhusudan various locations: Bangalore, Bengaluru, Pune, Noida, Gurgaon, Delhi, Gurugram. So yeah, that's also nice. All right, so each one of us give a good searches. Now, bit more realizations. Okay, any doubt on Xcring script or SlideShare? It's pretty easy, right? Yes, no?
Yes, sure.
Sure.
Niche? Okay.
How this in text will do the difference?
See, normal keyword search, we do a keyword search and Google assumes and start giving us the results with that keyword or the synonyms of that keyword. But the point you use in text, it's a strong command to Google saying that we just need this specific word. We don't need any synonyms or anything. We just need this specific word in the search result. And it stopped assuming with the additional synonyms.
Okay.
In a very specific use case, you would be using a in text, but not always, because it's a strong command to the Google saying that I just need this specific word. It's more or less like a double quotes. Okay, let's say now, let's go for site. Okay, let's take this example, Ajas, not Ajas, Sharma. Site, slideshare.net in URL, resume or CV or profile, SDET, or software development in test. Okay, so slideshare.net. So here, what you're trying to see is like SDET profiles or some of the software development in test. So definitely we would use SDET or software development engineer in test or software developer in test or software development in test or software in test. So in test is still a remaining same at the last, in test, in test, in test. So rather I would say, so here you remove engineer, here you remove developer. So in test is still the same. Software development. Let's say we just remove this development also. Here also we just remove development. Here we remove engineer and just keep 1 star. Software in test. So instead of writing all those, just 1 star in test.
Shiv, please don't mind, but I want to know the use of star again.
Yeah, I'll come back.
Shiv, I would like to know when I use the star at the end, the star is in.
What? Your voice is very low, Shravan. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so when I'm using star before, like as a developer, I use develop star, so it is not working properly.
Now it's gone. Immediately with the word develop star, it wouldn't, but now it is working more of in between the 2 words.
Acha, okay.
Okay. Now this is Sharma's search. What Sharma gave his site, slideshare.net in URL, resume or CV or profile, SDET or software development engineer in test or software developer in test or software development in test and software engineer in test. We can further optimize it. So this development engineer or developer or development or engineer, we can simply replace with the star. So star is nothing but the fill in the blanks. Okay, so whatever this development, developer, engineer would come, that would come everything. Let's say if we just search for only this term. Okay, so whatever the words between a software and then in test, which we give in the double quotes, here whatever the words are coming, it could be anywhere, like something like this: software development engineer in test, software developer in test, software engineer in test, software engineer in test. Okay,
it's like software dash in test.
That's it, software dash in test. So star is nothing but fill in the blanks. And in that fill in the blanks, Google can write any word. So instead of we assuming how people must be writing in so many different ways, that's actually good to start with. But once you know, okay, fine, development or engineer or developer. So these are all the things which we can actually use as a star. It's always better. So instead of writing this lengthier search like software development engineer in test or software developer in test or software development in test or software engineer in test, what we have written, we have just taken a first word software in test, last two words, put it in the double quotes, and what are the words were there between, we just replace with the star, and that star is nothing but fill in the blanks, software dash in test, and in that dash Google is filling any word which is coming in. It's not subjective. It could be completely open-ended. It could be software dash means software Android in test. So it could be like that also. It could be anything. But when
And we have to give
within the double quotes.
software, we have to give space dash and space in test. Shiv?
Exactly.
Okay,
Sharma,
so
I don't
space have to be
know.
given.
Sharma, you're still unable to mute?
No, I can see it. Yeah, I have a question. That's the reason I'm raising my hand.
No. Are you unable to mute? I'm asking.
Now I can. I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. Now I can. I have logged out and logged in again.
Yeah, tell me. Now, if you see, whatever the words we have given, we didn't give like developer or development, it's still getting highlighted. Engineer, development or developer, it's still getting highlighted because that has been replaced with the star. Like engineer, we didn't give that, but it's still getting highlighted. Developer, we didn't give that word. Development, we didn't give that word. Developer, we didn't give that word. Developer, we didn't give that word. Engineer, we didn't give that word. So whatever, it is simply what we say, this thing, fill in the blanks, and this could be used like this. And that's a use case of basically using a star. It cannot be used like this. Earlier, it used to work, but now it's gone. In some cases, it works, but in some cases, it doesn't work. So it still gives a search.
It goes.
Yeah. Okay, but
Shiv, I have a doubt. Shiv, actually, like whenever I'm using that old string, like if you can refer to that old string that I've given, the same string.
This one.
Yeah. So whenever I'm inserting in URL, then I'm not getting good amount of profiles. But if I remove in URL, resume CV profile, I'm getting more relevant results.
No. You're saying in URL resume CV profile is giving more result,
Yeah.
but it's giving minimum result.
Okay.
Less results.
Yeah. No, it is giving more results if I remove in URL.
If you remove, it's giving more. If you insert, it's giving less, right?
Yes.
The reason
try
because
that,
it's an additional command. It's an additional command to give the list of results which has a resume, CV, or profile words in the entire URL. That's the reason you're getting less results. But if you remove a in URL, then it's no command. It's just the additional keyword saying Google that I just need a results which has a resume, CV, or profile. And then that resume, CV, or profile word could be anywhere in the page. But Google still try to, assume the right results and try to give you. And that's where you have more number of results.
Yeah, but Shiv, 7 and 100, there is a huge difference. Like, if I insert in URL, I'm getting only 7. You can try the next one, next string, slide share.
That this makes the same actually. Let's do this. So here you have 45.
Yep.
Repeat 39. Because every URL has a word now that resume or CV. Okay, resume, CV, or profile. Like every URL you see has a word resume, CV, or profile. Here you have a CV. Every URL has a word, resume, CV, or a profile. But let's say now if you're removing this in URL and giving resume space EV space profile, then you have huge number of results. And of course, you can expect that difference because these URLs doesn't have a word resume, CV, or profile. But if you user experience designer slide share, but if you open a result, this could be a presentation. So resume, CV, or anything, this would be somewhere here. Let's take that. There would be a difference, Sharma, because here we are giving a strong command when we use in URL, resume, CV, or profile. But if you give just resume, CV, or profile, we are not giving a strong command. We are just giving, show me the list of results which has a resume, CV, or profiles. Now let's say that's where the star.
I'm just asking which one is correct actually. Like which way is the right way?
See, there is no right or wrong way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you give a command saying that I need only a profiles in which in URL we have a resume or CV or profile words in the entire URL. Though this is giving us a only 33 result, but this is giving us the most accurate one.
Yeah.
All right, you
Yes.
take the 33 result, but later on now you
Slide shot.
exactly straight shot. Now you finish the cream of the layer. Now you wanted to go more open-ended search, and that's where you're going and saying, okay, fine, let me search for a profiles which has a resume, CV, or anything in the whole document. So that might come as a document of a resume, or that might come as a document of something else also. That's where the use difference is.
Yeah, Shiv, and one more thing, like this script and the slide share. So these are all profiles. They might be active, they might not be active. Like it is us to call them and
No,
understand.
these
whether
are all
they are
the
active or not.
resumes, these are all the profiles when they have pushed to the LinkedIn in past, that data has come
Okay.
here. Not necessary that they are active now, but it's a
Got it. Got it.
good data to generate a list of profiles and do a passive targeting for a passive sourcing. What we're learning is completely a passive sourcing here.
Yeah. So, which is the best way, like scraping these email IDs and sending email or calling these people? Which one is the best way that you think?
We'll come there on the later sessions, but otherwise headhunting is always better. I immediately, if I like the profile, I call them, say them that I saw your profile here, which was quite old, but I assume you must be looking out for, in case, if that is the case, I have some of the really good opportunities. See, it's again depends on the kind of a pitch you're making, picking up the call and asking if they're interested. Otherwise, prepare a long list of resumes and sending them the, what we say,
Bulk mail.
mail merge, and whoever is responding,
Merge,
you're
yeah.
talking to them, but still they're completely passive.
Yeah. We can do it. Yeah. We can also share our LinkedIn email. Like, let's connect for now and for
You
future
can do
kind
that.
of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, so let's say here we have Naveen Sahu's resume. Okay, what does the resume contain? Mobile, email, and all, everything, right? Presentation will have mobile, email, and all. I doubt. this one from US because we gave some of the searches for Canada, Colorado. This person